We got the next caller. Ratesh is calling us from Kerala. Ratesh, good morning. And thanks so much for calling us. How can we help you today?
Hello.
Hi, Ratesh. Please go ahead.
Yeah, I have around 40,000 units of Suzlon, which I bought around 13 on average actually.
Okay.
So I've been holding on it for some time. So looking at the current trend, it's going downward. So what is the prediction for Suzlon for next 1 year, looking at the renewables? Whether should I be holding on to it or should I be selling it?
So allow me to take a technical check on Suzlon, Ratesh, because ultimately you've made the right call on the fundamentals and you've bought at a very attractive level. So what you're more concerned about is whether more erosion can take place in the stock price. And considering that you've got 18.5 lakhs as a profit, you want to protect that as far as you possibly can. I've understood your question. Let me go to Vaishali on the charts on this. Vaishali, attractive buy price 13 rupees and significant quantity 40,000 units. What would you do? Would you book partial profits?
Well, actually, I would say it is very tempting to book partial profit, but I think long-term trend is still intact. There's no damage to the trend, but keep a stop loss of 53 because if 53 levels break, then that could call for weakness. So continue holding because overall, even in a market being so choppy right now, this stock is holding strong. So I would say stop loss should be 53 and continue holding.
Okay, very quick view, Samir. I don't want to spend too much time, but I know that a lot of people will also be interested in Suzlon. I know you've said at 70 plus levels that the valuations were extremely stretched. I believe we spoke it when it was around 80, if I'm not mistaken. Is it more comfortable now, or would you wait for more time to deploy further?
So it's definitely more comfortable, but like you said, I would like to wait a little longer because look, people have factored into that the growth is going to be for the next 3 years, and they started projecting on FY27 and 28. So I think it's the opportunity is very good. I like the space. But for me, 48, 50 levels would be a good buying opportunity. Unfortunately, technically, that becomes a selling point. But as a fundamental investor, anything below 50 would be a great buying opportunity from the next 2 to 3 year perspective.
It's a hold?
I would say hold on,
okay,
yes.
Okay.
Okay, so a hold is what we are looking for Suzlon in terms of where the fundamental check is. Now the next query is from Santosh from Hyderabad. He's bought 26 shares of TVS Motors and this is at a price of 2,528. He's just bought it a month back and is and wanted to hold it for 1 year. But considering the stock volatility in this last 1 month, he wants to understand whether he should continue to hold it or whether he should take an exit on this one. Vaishali, coming to you, in the last 1 month period, we've seen about a considerable downtick in this stock price. So what is your view for this one?
I think the damage is pretty much done with. The corrective move has been done with. So now that he's held on for so long, continue holding because I guess we are coming closer towards the bottoming of the market, selling pressure. So a little bit of erosion can take place, but I think should hold on for a good bounce from here.